Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on or off camera flash on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to camera application on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, here in camera, okay, on the top, you can see the plus icon. The plus icon is set and to off. Okay, to turn on this, you'll have to do is tap the flash icon on the top. And you can see the option. Okay, you can select the icon on the right to turn on the flash on your camera. And also, you can set into auto the plus. So, but I decide to change into on the flash on my camera in my Samsung Galaxy A02. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned on. And to turn up again, you'll have to do is select the left side icon to turn off the flash on your camera. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned on or off camera flash on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, can you comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.